Beginner's Guide to Using YouTube. Now this is just going to be a very short and sweet tutorial on how you can use YouTube as a first-time user, not a channel owner, but just a browser surfing the YouTube app. First, after making sure you've already downloaded the YouTube app from your respective app stores and logged into your Google account, which is your YouTube account, this is a typical interface. Now, right off the bat, you can simply go ahead and then watch the recommended videos and shorts, or you can sort them by searching at the top right hand side of the screen. You can go to the shorts tab just to watch only the shorts that you want to, by the way, and if you come to subscriptions tab, you'll be able to see all of the updates from the people that you've subscribed to. If you want to subscribe a certain individual, you can simply select that and you can tap on the subscribe button next to the channel. You will see the number of subscribers they have. You can see the likes, dislikes, and you can share all these videos. You can download for offline use, or you can see all the comments respectively as well. If you come to this little plus icon, this is where you can customize and create your own videos on YouTube if that's what you're looking for. You can come to your profile page and see your watch history, your playlist that you've created. If you tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, you can see all the account and app related settings like some general info or switching account or family center or whatever else it is that you can see over here. And this is the way on how you can use YouTube as a beginner. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.